what does a web developer do? This is the question I get in my comment section. So in this video I will answer that. Stay tuned to the end. Web developer can be of different kinds, a freelancer or working in any organization. In this both the condition, they are working, maintaining and updating the website in form of front end and back end. Right, front end and back end, what are all those? I have made separate video, you can watch that video in my playlist section itself. A web developer is more dedicated to maintaining a website, updating a website, bug fixing. If you find any difficulties, any error, that fixing also can be done with the help of web developer itself. A web developer can be a full stack developer itself. What is full stack developer? Watch my next video. In that video I will tell you about that. Whether a website developer is working on the front end, back end or database technology, they are more dedicated to fulfill the client's requirement. Whatever the client want, the web developer is dedicated to complete that. The important task of the web developer is to convert the idea to a software, convert a idea to a web application. They are the real problem solver itself. If you have already a website, you find any errors, you find any difficulties, or you want to add some new feature and functionality, a web developer can save your life in that condition. However, a web developer's work depend on the climate condition, depend on the roles, job description of in which area he is working on. At that time, different developers, different web developer can have different roles, different technology they must be proficient with. So concluding all this, a web developer is that person who can create a website for you, update a website for you, add a new feature and functionality for you in terms of website and web application. If you like this kind of video, you can check out my other videos in my playlist. Right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.